Today I'm going to show you how I made this pendant. It warns you when you touch your face. Hear the buzz? Pretty cool, huh? So my friend Alex sent me this link. It's from JPL and Nasa. And it's just this open source set of plans that you can 3D print and then wire all these electronics together. The first step is to 3D print the outer casing. This is a resin printer, so that liquid I'm pouring in the vat is resin. Here I am selecting the file and hitting print. Of course, this is sped up a little bit. And here it is completed. You can see the support structure. This is a vat of isopropyl alcohol that I wash everything in before I cure the resin pieces. There they are, cleaned. You have to cure resin pieces under a UV light. So this is my makeshift UV light box. I always like to start with like a clean workspace. So I've got my heat shrink tubes, 3D printed cases, switches, transistors, resistors, buzzers, the battery case, and got some batteries. Then I've got my little helping hands, this thing for cleaning off my soldering gun, and then I've got my soldering gun and my 22 gauge wire. Let's get started. As I was looking back over this footage and putting the edit together, I realized it's not terribly amazing. It's a lot of soldering and more soldering and even more soldering. You've got a switch, you've got a little buzzer, you've got a battery, you've got an IR sensor, you've got a transistor, and you've got a resistor. That's pretty much it. Yep. Ooh. It's buzzing as this thing is the buzzer. Pretty cool. All right, now let's see if I can fit it in the case. It's a lot of wires, let's see. The sensor goes there and then pops up through this hole. All right, so I have it in the case. I don't think it's sitting quite right because there's still gaps and stuff, but for a first try, let's see how it works. So I'm going to turn it on, hold it here. Oop, I felt that. Yeah, then you got the on-off switch there. Turn it off. I found a way to make it more sensitive. There's a little gold screw right there. But if you turn it, it makes it more sensitive. Not bad. Still needs some tweaking, but not bad. Here's a time lapse of me making a second one. I thought this was cool footage, so I wanted to include it. It works pretty well. I would say that the buzz needs to be a little bit more intense for it actually to be useful in anything other than a t-shirt. I'll leave a link in the description, so if you want to make one yourself, go for it. Special thanks to NASA and JPL for the plans, and to my friend Alex who sent me the link and gave me the inspiration. So there you go. I'll see you next time.